Good morning, good morning, friends. Now we are discussing the first module, Introduction to War. So the definition of war will be like this. So it is an analytical method of problem solving and taking decisions, which is very useful in managing any organization. So it is a problem solving technique and taking decision. So which is very much useful in managing any organization. So the other definition of war says that it is the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to problem solving so that the operations of any system will be going very smoothly so as to provide will control of the system with optimum solutions to the problem so that to any problem the solution obtained will be very optimal, that is very reasonable in terms of money and the time spent. So thus war will offer alternative plans to perform for any problem to the management before taking decisions. So scope of operation research. So there will be a great scope for economists, statisticians, administrators, and technicians who are working as a team to solve the problems of defense by using a war approach. So in defense, so this team of economists, statisticians, administrators, and technicians will work as a team to get the solution for the given problem. So besides this, war will be very much useful in other important fields like agriculture. So that is how the crops will be going for, crops rotation so that even one crop fails, so the other crop will be giving some yields to the farmers. So what will be the so crops sowing and crops giving the yields. So that is the time management. So then in the department of finance, in industries, so marketing, personal management, production management, and research and development areas. So applications of war. So war is a problem solving and decision taking technique. So it is considered as a kit which is having some scientific and programmable rules. So which provides the management a base which is a quantitative one so that decisions before taking any decisions concerning the operation so will be under its control. So how war techniques will be applied in various stages of managing the organization. So optimum allocation and distribution of resources. So these resources like men, materials, machines, time, and many are very much valuable. So the allocation and distribution of these resources wisely on various activities is very much needed. So then production and facilities planning. So in deciding the size of the factory, locating the factory premises, so and forecasting the various inventory items and computing the economic order quantities. That is while going for a production batch, what will be the minimum quantities to be produced so that the production will be economical and reorder levels. So while taking decisions on these things, so war will play very much important role. Then scheduling and sequencing of production runs by allocating the machines properly. So some activities require more machine hours and some activities require less and not too much sophisticated machines. So the activities which are having less priority, so then allocations of machine hours and allocation of sophisticated machines is not much needed. Then programs decisions, what, when, and how to purchase, to so that the procurement cost will be minimized. Then bidding and replacement policies. Then marketing. So then here we have advertising budget allocation. So for advertising the product produced, so some budget should be allocated. Then product introduction timing. So the newly manufactured product should be time introduced, it's in the proper right time. So then a selection of advertising media, selection of product mix, then customers preference with respect to the size, color, and packaging of various products. All these things require wise decisions. So taking wise decisions will be based on the previous experience. So war is definitely helping in all these things. Then organization behavior, selection of the suitable personnel, determine the retirement age and the skills, recruitment policies and job assignment to the right person in the right time, then recruitment of employees, then scheduling of training programs. All these things require the wise decisions to be taken at the right time. So, various war techniques, as we see here, will be applied in these following areas. Then coming to finance, so capital requirement, cash flow analysis, then investment decisions, credit policies, credit risks, then a profit plan for the company. So all these things related to the finance. Then research and development activities, product introduction planning, control of R&D projects, determining the areas where the research and development need will be very much needed. Then selection of the projects and the preparation of budgets on these R&D activities. So in all these areas, so applying the various war techniques, so that war will be considered as the problem solving and decision taking techniques. So taking the wise decisions at the right time in these areas, so needs the help of this war techniques.